The Great Falls College Renewable Energy students built an e-bike after purchasing a bicycle from Walmart and a conversion kit from BikeBerry. All told, the bike and conversion cost about $700 compared to the many thousands of dollars e-bikes can run. The project got the students to wondering about the effectiveness of e-bikes, so they teamed up with Great Falls College respiratory therapy students to measure the toll on the body using full human power, full motor power, and a mixture of the two called pedal assist.
The respiratory tech students gathered some very interesting data about our pulse oximeter, so how much oxygen was in our blood, and then also our heart rate. And on our heart rates went up dramatically with just pedaling. And then when we did the pedal assist, they stayed about even. And then with the motor, some of them went down and some of them stayed consistent. We all had a lot of fun doing it.
It was pretty cool to find out because, I mean, pedaling without the motor, it took a lot of effort. You know, at the end of it, I could barely even stand on the bike, and I was pushing as hard as I could. When I got off, I about fell over. My legs were burning. Using the pedal assist was pretty cool, you know, because I was still putting it as much effort as I could, and it was helping me out. And then you could feel it kick in and then kick off, and it was really cool. And then, you know, using just the motor, you know, it was fun just to sit down and go for a ride around.
I would definitely recommend this to people if they want to commute to or from school or work or whatever. It's a great exercise if you want to go out and just pedal either to or from work, or use the motor to get work and then pedal home and get your exercise on the way home. And with the pedal assisted is a great option where you don't have to exert yourself very hard to get to where you need to go.
You know, for the outdoor industry, it's something can be overlooked, but it's really starting to find its way, you know, into that backcountry, you know, outdoor enthusiast for sure. Especially in the hunting industry, a lot of guys are switching to those e-bikes to get them in place because it's quiet, it doesn't leave a big footprint, less maintenance. So if you need to get somewhere in the mountains, you don't want to scare what you're looking for, you can get where you're going and you're not going to be gassed when you get to where you need to start actually walking.
Somebody forgot to tell the guys it wasn't a race.
I found out really quick I wasn't as good in shape as I used to be.
It went really good because I took first in it, you know, but